He's sending this to the INF.
Hey, patrón. Rocky 24. Allá.
I don't think so either.
Oh, the fuck is yellow over there?
Even some snow out on the back side of it, out in the Ohios and the and yes, and that's right, especially with no traffic. What they said, we will arrest them on. Atlantic City with the governor at 1 o'clock today. Okay. 1 to 304. I suspect he'll have some response as well. So he's not going to fly the big silver and blue plane over the shorelines of New Jersey and Long Island and throw money out. George Bush made that mistake in Katrina. 50 years, and really there has been just an exponential building spree to deal with these transformers downtown that power up these gigantic buildings, and they are flooded as they have been. Do they need to be replaced, or do they just need to be dried out?
It's all equipment. It's some cases equipment that will be replaced. In other instances, we can probably make repairs without doing a full replacement.
Do you have enough of that equipment? I mean, that is massive equipment that isn't made in great number.
Yeah, we always, I'm still talking about conversations with the guy, and it's directly back to government has to be. Putting taxpayers on the hook for storms like this. And I think that's the sort of thing where the federal government has to bring in the taxpayers issue that way.
You don't have an extra chainsaw in here, do you?
No.
No, the grass cutters take 2 chainsaws.
Tunnels in New York City. They thought it could be, initially they were thinking it could be weak.
Water to take her daughter on a play date. And their neighbors, 9-month-old daughter, she was dressed at a cute structure.
There was a restaurant when I was a kid. It was an old McDonald's. You used to go down and have your breakfast on the board.
Good?
No, what's low?
He's kidding me, right?
Kohl's Power Shopping Sale this Friday through Sunday for $3.
We're directing traffic. Did you see all those people yesterday? Yeah, but here's the lens of Bob Cohen, Barbara Cohen, treasurer.
Where are you from?
Iowa?
You came here from Iowa.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
That big one is actually in the Bronx. An accident on the eastbound cross Bronx at Jerome Avenue. 2 lanes are closed. Bumper delays now spilling back across the inbound GW Bridge. We've got about a 20 to 25 minute delay for the...
I spoke to Secretary Napolitano this morning, and she is considering waiving the Jones Act.
That lasted for years, so we're seeing it.
Situation now that millions of gallons of gasoline have arrived in New York Harbor.